Hey, this is a demo of the prototype for the new scheduled pipeline execution policy test run feature. And I'll go through the designs here and show the GraphQL queries that we can use to trigger the actions we need and fetch the data we need. And so basically the idea is that you have this policy list and then you can start a dry run here. And we can, oh no, actually, if you press this, you probably go, or this drawer opens, and then you have to select the target project. We could use the security policy project as default here, but I think this doesn't make sense because pipelines are disabled for those projects by default, so it will likely not work for everyone. So I think best is to choose a project here. So I've added this new notation in my prototype where you can select a project path. So this will be the path where for the project that will be used to test the pipeline, the policy name, and the path for the security policy project. So we're going to run this. It will create a new pipeline execution schedule policy test run object, and its state is in running, and it should have created a new pipeline here. It already passed because there's just one job on it, but we can see it was just created just now. And I can use this query here to fetch the object. So this will be number 6. And it shows complete. It has already some test data. So this will be, well, it actually includes a pipeline, and the pipeline has the status and the duration. I think this is seconds. And this is what we will show here. Oh, but first it will go into the running state. So this one, we didn't really see this because it just run for 5 seconds. But after it completed, it goes to the screen state here. I guess we probably want to add a GraphQL subscription for this, so we don't need to poll the data. We just can update the front end whenever it's done. So I think if you open this, there's another design where you can show the results, and this will open the drawer again, and it will show the test results here. We still need to include the project affected and the pipelines created, but there's also a design for show more, and this will show the duration and everything. If the pipeline fails, it goes to this red state here, which is, I think we call it failed in GraphQL. And that will also include an error message like this. So if it goes to failed, we will have an error message here and the state will be failed. We can also use this query here, the group security policies query. I think that's the one that we use to load the policy list. And we can now also include test runs here. I think it only makes sense to just show one because we just have this one batch, but it will return a list. And I think we can change we can change this to just one, and will just give us the most recent test run. That's for the prototype. I hope this works for front end. And we will have to add the subscription. And otherwise I will break down the prototype into implementation issues, and then we can add all the things piece by piece. Thanks.